Flying cars have long been the realm of sci-fi. However, they are now becoming reality. Not only for carrying passengers and cargo, but for racing too. Watch till the end to see the first flying race car. Long overdue, Lazzarini designs and unveils the Air Car, a flying car powered by 4 Rolls-Royce jet engines that can rotate when necessary for maneuverability in takeoff or landing. Each individual engine can independently adjust incline as well as rotation, ensuring stability at high speeds and agility when turning. The inclination and rotation of the jet engines in a 4x4 configuration in the air means it can operate at variable heights and inclines depending on the cruising speed. Measuring 19.6 feet in length, it can comfortably accommodate a pilot and 3 passengers. It can achieve an estimated top speed of 466 miles per hour, or 750 kilometers per hour, and has a range of 745 miles, or 1,200 kilometers, running on jet fuel. Looking to the skies of the future. Ameri-Flight Cargo Aircraft and Natilus announced a purchase agreement starting with 20 cargo aircraft for a total order of $6.8 billion of 460-plus aircraft. Ameri-Flight placed an order for the autonomous feeder cargo aircraft valued at $134 million, in a key move to be the first regional U.S. carrier to map a new future course for air freight services. With total commitments now of $6.8 billion for delivery of 460-plus aircraft. This appears to be Nautilus's first attempt to address pilot shortages using its autonomous technologies. As of January 26, 2023, Natilus is designing and producing the world's first autonomous aircraft for efficient and sustainable freight transport, while announcing its contract with Ameri-Flight, an industry leader in freight operations. Ameri-Flight becomes the first regional U.S. carrier to sign an aircraft purchase agreement with Natilus. The Ameri-Flight Natilus agreement for Kona feeder aircraft marks a first in autonomous freight transport of the future. As autonomous aircraft usher in a wave of the future, Fixar, a European drone developer, announces a long-range new autonomous drone, the Fixar 025. The full-stack Fixar is an autonomous full-electric drone designed for large-scale missions for commercial and industrial applications. The Fixar carries up to a 22-pound payload for a distance of up to 186 miles on one battery charge. Increased flight distance and payload capacity have been unlocked, supplemented with versatility, and the operations are fully autonomous, as ensured by an in-house developed next-generation autopilot and ground control systems. The UAV makes it possible to deploy an array of sophisticated professional payload modules by simply swapping them out, also utilizing the same aircraft for aerial surveys, with real-time monitoring and delivery, imaging, and remote sensing. Up next, it's a bird, it's a plane! No, it's a car. Well, how about both? A future flight concept, the Embraer Pulse is both a plane and a car. The Embraer Pulse is quite the futuristic vehicle with its takeoff and landing capabilities and amazing transparent walls. It's right out of a sci-fi movie. It's a posh joint-wing twin-tilt rotor that carries a roomy plush pod with seating for 5 or so passengers. It looks like an enjoyable ride. Embraer's engineering and design team came up with the concept to demonstrate how electric vertical takeoff and landing, known as evtol, might look in the next 50 years. Both the aircraft and its ground vehicle operate autonomously. No crew are necessary, except maybe a ticket agent to book passengers into the transparent pod. The pod offers near 360-degree visibility thanks to its use of transparent aluminum alloys. Yes, transparent aluminum is a thing, and its interactive panels that allow text and other smartphone-like connectivity, along with flight and other information. While we're at it, don't forget to slam the like and subscribe buttons, or you'll drop out of the sky like a rock. Wait till you see this one. American startups Node Air and JetX are working together to create a new type of aircraft. The best of each company's technologies will be combined in a new style of aircraft that Node Air and JetX are working to create. The collaboration will connect Node Air's modular transportation system with JetX's vector thrust propulsion. The idea of modular aircraft is somewhat new and has yet to be fully explored in the industry. A modular aircraft can be easily reconfigured or modified depending on the specific needs of the flight. This could include adjusting the seating arrangement, cargo capacity, or even the shape of the fuselage. The goal of a modular aircraft is to be adaptive and versatile, while also lowering the costs by not needing to have numerous specialized aircraft. With implementation of this technology into the new aircraft, Node Air, which is well known for its modular transportation systems in boats and ground vehicles, aims to increase the aviation industry's flexibility and efficiency. Are electric flying cars about to become a reality? Auto giant Stellantis, in collaboration with Archer Aviation, will jump into the electric aircraft race. Archer Aviation's Midnight is a front-runner in the race to become the first personal electric aircraft to take to the skies. The new partnership with Stellantis could speed things up even faster. If we cast our eyes to the imaginary skies of the future, the airwaves look ambitiously crowded as a whole array of players is poised to litter the clouds with assorted shapes and sizes of electric aircraft. Although fast emission-free rapid transit from downtown to wherever is still a few years out from becoming a reality, the industry just received a major boost with this announcement of automotive giant Stellantis joining the fray. The multinational company has a brand portfolio that includes Alfa Romeo, Peugeot, Maserati, and Jeep, among others. Archer Aviation is now on that list. This gives new meaning to getting on the bus. A safe, sustainable, and integrated urban air mobility bus called City Airbus Next Gen is an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, or evtol, prototype based on a lift and cruise concept. It sports an 80-kilometer operational range and a cruise speed of 120 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for zero-emission flight operations for many applications in our cities and communities. The lift and cruise concept is an efficient air transport service between strategic locations in urban and suburban environments. The City Airbus Next Gen idea first originated from a belief that urban transport can be moved into the sky in a sustainable way. With decades of experience certifying aircraft, Airbus successfully developed two evtol demonstration models, the City Airbus and Vahana. The City Airbus Next Gen prototype was created in large part thanks to the lessons learned from this twin demonstration strategy, as well as the ongoing advancements in technology across the whole Airbus line of goods. This creates a new generation ATTOL, or Autonomous Takeoff and Landing Vehicle, from Airbus. Drones, lots of drones! Futuristic cargo drones to be exact, for the greatest and largest commercial drone deployment ever attempted. The German company WingCopter has committed to deploy 12,000 long-range triple-drop delivery drones throughout Africa in the next 5 years. The WingCopter 198 is a stylish aircraft with a wingspan of 198 centimeters or 78 inches, and the capacity to transport up to 6 kilograms or 13.2 pounds of cargo. It has a clever design with 8 propellers mounted on arms that extend forward and back from the wings. The outer 4 propellers are lift-only for VTOL and lock into an aerodynamic configuration during cruise. The inner front 2 propellers can tilt 90 degrees forward to provide horizontal thrust. The inner rear 2 propellers can also tilt, but mainly to fold their props back and avoid blocking the airflow from the front. It's not all just cargo and passengers. Gotta have some fun too. Alauda Aeronautics unveils the Airspeeder MK4, the first prototype version of its flying racing car. Designed and built in Adelaide, South Australia, the Airspeeder MK4 is the world's fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing (evtol) aircraft, reaching a top speed of 360 kilometers per hour or 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds from a standing start. It's designed to set the bar for performance and technology in the radical new sport of piloted airspeeder racing. This now opens the door to OEM teams to join Airspeeder in a motorsport revolution, as it unveils the world's first and fastest prototype flying race car for performance sports. With its sophisticated electric propulsion system, advanced aerodynamics, and a takeoff weight of just 950 kilograms, the Airspeeder MK4 is also extremely efficient, with a projected range of 300 kilometers or 188 miles, while producing near zero emissions. And the only thing more exciting is watching another one of our videos.